Breaking news out of Washington, the U.S. Supreme Court has reinstated the murder conviction against Pedro Hernandez for the killing of 6-year-old Etan Patz. Jessica Moore is here to explain why Hernandez will not get a new trial.
Well, Cindy, Hernandez will continue serving his 25 years to life prison sentence after the Supreme Court reversed a lower court's ruling that said jurors received improper instructions. In an unsigned 6-3 opinion released Monday morning, the High Court ruled Hernandez does not deserve a new trial, finally closing the door on one of the most infamous cold cases in American history. Etan Patz vanished near his New York City home in 1979 on his way to the bus stop in Soho. His body was never found. Hernandez worked at a nearby convenience store at the time, but didn't become a suspect in the disappearance until 2012. He confessed to the crime during police questioning, but his attorneys argued he falsely confessed because of a mental illness that caused him to hallucinate. Hernandez's first trial in 2015 ended with a deadlocked jury. He was convicted during a retrial in 2017. During the 2017 trial, jurors asked the judge if they decided Hernandez didn't confess voluntarily when he hadn't been read his rights yet, must they disregard his other confessions? The judge responded simply, no. Last July, a federal appeals court overturned that conviction, saying the judge should have given jurors the possibility of discounting all confessions. In the Supreme Court's ruling, justices agreed federal courts should not second-guess state courts under a 1996 federal law that was intended to reduce federal court oversight of state criminal trials. Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg responded to the ruling by saying, "This office has remained steadfast in its pursuit of justice for Etan and the Patz family and will continue to stand by this important conviction. I thank the prosecutors in my office, especially our appellate attorneys, for their dedication and perseverance." Attorneys for Hernandez said, "We are firmly disappointed with the decision because we firmly believe that an innocent man is in jail for a crime he did not do." Now, prosecutors have long argued that the Patz family should not have to endure another trial. Today's decision means they will not have to. Hernandez will continue serving his sentence at the Elmira Correctional Facility here in New York. He's 65 years old now and will be eligible for parole in the year 2037. Cindy?
Such a painful case.
It was.
Jessica, thank you.